Good day. Welcome back to Off-Grid Jay and Jen. Today we are making a bed frame for the bed in the loft. Finally, after 4 years, we're getting the loft cleaned up. Only took us 4 years.
Organized a little bit. Cleaned up would be getting rid of stuff, but you need stuff. That's like
everything that's up there is stuff we need.
I know.
It's towels, it's hunting clothes, it's Christmas stuff.
Extra bedding.
Yeah, so nothing's junk.
I didn't say it was. I'm just saying that's what I'm saying. You need stuff. I was agreeing
making
with
the
you.
loft organized.
And for special guests, unknown yet, but you know, if guests come.
Yeah.
If one of our friends want to come, since we have no friends. Off-grid people don't have friends. Isn't that kind of the point?
No, you can have friends. You don't have any friends. I have friends.
I burned through all my friends.
I have friends. People just hang out with you because they feel bad.
Don't you say it, I can't hear it. I get defensive when I think you're calling me out. But I don't scream, I don't shout. I seethe in my anger, I swallow my answers. I try to listen, but it's all bubbling out. Can you hear me now? What are we doing? I don't know. What are we doing? I don't know. But if you're telling me that you found me out, I hate to be the one to break the news, but you're late to the party. I've been dealing with myself my whole life. I know there's cracks, I know I'm not watertight. Did this have to be a fight? What are we doing? I don't know. But if you're telling me that you found me out, I hate to be the one to break the news, but you're late to the party. And yeah, you're late. Yeah, you're late. Yeah, you're late. Yeah, you're late to the party. And if you're telling me that you found me out, I hate to be the one to break the news, but you're late to the party.
Look at that, guys. Now Jay's just got to figure out some cross bracing so we can get the mattress on here.
Yep.
So he's going to do that probably while I work because I got work here soon.
You got a class to teach.
Yeah, I got a couple classes to teach.
You
Yep.
children in need of a smart woman to show them how to do stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So you go from showing me how to do stuff and
Yeah, I'm teaching all day, every day. It's an exhausting life.
Ay, ay, ay. Lucky me.
Mm-hmm.
Not so lucky.
You're right, you are.
There we go. There we go, guys. One bed made from milled oak and random lumber we had laying around. We used some 2x8s we had, but those, I didn't want to use all my good oak for underlayment, so that should be nice and solid. Let's get the mattress on there. Alright guys, so nothing better than a nice new mattress to put in our nice handmade bed frame. Novilla is sponsoring today's video. They saw that we were fixing up the loft and wanted to provide us with a new mattress. So Novilla sent us their buoyant hybrid mattress. It has 4 layers of foam. Its hybrid design fits the human body curve to help with spine alignment and proper support. So I was really excited to share the Novilla hybrid mattress with you guys because not only is it a great design, but it's super affordable. Perfect for back sleepers, budget shoppers, or people who move frequently. And its pocket coils are perfect for undisturbed sleep. So you guys know we work really hard around the property here, building and homesteading now, and we're really trying to pay attention to our body. So the Novilla Hybrid Mattress provides us with a safe, organic, and eco-friendly sleep. And it's a great deal. That's something we're always looking for here at Off Grid with Jay and Jen. So do me a favor, if you're looking for a great deal on a very well-built mattress, check out the links in the description box below and the first pinned comment. Those links will take you directly to the best deal on your new Novilla mattress. Thanks Novilla for sponsoring this video. Thanks for this beautiful mattress here for our loft. It'll provide our guests with a great place to sleep, and maybe I'll sneak up here a time or two as well. So thanks guys for letting me tell you about Novilla. Thank you Novilla for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to the video. I'm cutting up and cleaning our last spaghetti squash. These are a great low-carb noodle replacement. We've been growing these for 5+ years, and every year I save the seeds from one, and I've been, regrowing every year. I did that with winter squash, which we've never eaten a winter squash, but I grow a few every year. Grow a couple plants, and then I either give them away or they rot. But spaghetti squash, this is our last one. Made it through the winter. It's early May now, so made it through the whole winter. That's why we're really excited to get the root cellar this year, so we can put stuff like this in the root cellar.